Welcome to Solidworks tutorial. In this video we will see the basics of part navigations, how to navigate the part in SolidWorks. So first we will open this part, I'll click on this part and it will load the part. Our part is open. First we will see how to zoom in and zoom out. So to zoom in and zoom out, we simply roll our scroll wheel. Like this, we can zoom in and zoom out on a particular area. The focus point for the zoom in and zoom out is our cursor location. Wherever our cursor is located, the zoom in and zoom out will focus on that area. So like this, you can zoom in and zoom out on a particular area of component. Next, to rotate the model, we will simply press and hold the middle mouse button and rotate our mouse like this. You can rotate your model. Next, to pan the model, we'll simply press the control key and press our middle mouse button and move our mouse. And like this, you can pan over a graphics area. Next, if we press shift key plus middle mouse button, then we will create a quick zoom in and zoom out with these options. Like this, you can see. Next, we will see the zoom to fit. Suppose I do the zoom in this area. Now I want to see the component. I go to my viewers and click on this zoom to fit icon and it will fit the model in our graphics area. And same way, if I zoom out like this and then press on this icon, then also I can zoom to fit. And if I pan my component outside of the graphics window and then I will click on this icon, or there is a shortcut for this. On the keyboard you can also press the F key to zoom to fit like this. Now next command is the zoom to area. You can click on this zoom to area icon, then left click and hold and create box like this. In whichever area you want to zoom, you can create the box and it will zoom to that particular area like this. You can zoom on any area, whatever you want to zoom. So like this you can zoom. And the next is the previous view. You can simply go back to the previous view. Just click on this icon and it will take you to the previous view like this. Next is the section view. You can click on this section view button and it will cut your model. You can cut this model in a different plane like this. You can cut. You can also rotate this plane like this if you want to rotate, but I will keep this normal. And then we'll click on this and it will cut our part graphically. This is not actual cut. We can then press on this section view icon again to make our part full visible. So this way we will use the section view. And the next is the view orientation icon. In this view orientation we can create a quick view like this: left, right, front, top view, isometric, whatever type of view we want, we can quickly create from this view orientation icon. Or we can press the space bar on the keyboard and we will find this orientation menu like this. And from this menu we can also create the quick views like this if we want to create the views. So this is the very useful options to create a quick view orientations. So next is the display style. In this display styles we have shaded with edges. Currently we are in the shaded with edges mode. In this mode you can see there is black lines over the model which represents the various entities on our model, turn to the shaded only mode, then you can see the part is without black line and looks like real component with blended edges. The next option is the hidden lines removed. It simply represents the lines. Then we have hidden line visible options, and then next we have wireframe visibility. Go with the shaded with edges. In our general working, most of the time we will use this shaded with edges. Next we have our background scene. We can change the backgrounds from these options like this. We can change whatever background we want, but most of the time we will use this plain white and 3-point faded background only. Next to it we have our real view graphics options, which will make our parts looks like real with shining. And we have shader in shaded mode, and we have ambient occlusions like this. We have perspective view, we have cartoonist view. So all of these options will reduce the performance of your PC, so I will suggest you to keep all of this off to increase the performance of your PC. Next we will use the arrow key on the keyboard to rotate our model like this. It will rotate the model by 15 degrees in single press like this. You can rotate your model by 50 degrees. And right now I will show you the one more shortcut option. If you press shift key and then press arrow key, then it will rotate by 90 degrees. Like this you can rotate. So explore these options also, it will very useful in our working. So this is the basics of part navigations in SolidWorks, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.